I made a playlist ranking all my tutorials based on a difficulty level. You can go through them to become a yo-yo master. Plus, I also have left-handed versions also included in there. Link down in the description. So real quick, this trick is broken up into two different parts. So you find like the first bit really difficult. Second part starts in a trapeze and significantly easier as well. So you could also just look at the chapter down below and skip over that part. So if you want to try out and learn a different trick. All right, cool. All right, bye-bye. Alright, real quick, I just want to thank you guys for watching the end of the video. If you could like, give it a subscribe, very cool. Share it to some friends you think would be very appreciative of the trick. Be like, oh wow, that's really cool, I want to learn that. Send it over to them. Also, major shout outs to Behemoth. Thank you very much for the nice donation. I have a Ko-Fi, which basically works like a Patreon, so if you want to give me just a one-off donation, all that to help me out, super cool. No, what's called no benefits. It does say, for example, some people might be like, here's a Discord you can join for mine or whatever, right? No, I just have a free Discord. You can link in the description. If you need help with a trick or so, I can help you out with that. Or if you want to show me a trick so I can make a tutorial on it, that's cool. And yeah, also just a quick reminder that I also have a playlist with all my tutorials on there. So if you want to look at that, it should be like around over here. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, cool. Thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.